Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about Cashapp. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can verify your Cashapp. So first of all, let me tell you that Cashapp is currently available only in US and UK. So if you are outside these areas or outside these countries, you can't use the Cashapp, but yeah, you can still make the account, but you can't use it or can't access it, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically verify yourself if you have created a Cashapp account. So the first thing that you need to do is on the right top corner you would see a profile icon, right? Click on that icon and after that this will show up. Now this is basically where your username and your name pops up, and after that if you scroll down there are a bunch of settings with the support, family account, linked banks and stuff. So what we are interested in is we're going to click on personal, right? Click on personal and you would see full name, SCash tag. So this is the SCash tag. Basically through the SCash tag people find you, the bio, the mobile number, the email address, and yeah, your own address. So then you can also switch to bank account, then you can also switch to business account, right? So now to verify your Cashapp account, what you need to do is the first thing you need to enter your full name and after that press next, right? It's going to save that as your full name. And the second thing, you might not need to add the bio, that's okay, but you need to add your mobile number, your email address as well. You need to enter these two and provide these, and then you'll be sent an OTP for the verification that is actually you. That's actually you who's trying to use the Cashapp with that number. So once you do that, then your account will be like created properly, 100% done, because right now still my account is missing some of the pieces. So once your account is 100% done and everything's completed, then what's going to happen is it's basically going to verify your account, and then your account will be verified, and after that what's going to happen is basically you can send money or receive money on your Cashapp account. And then yeah, as you can see there is a limit, and then you can also go and just cash out all the limit. You can use the best out of this app. So that's pretty much about how you can verify your Cashapp account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you're facing any problem, if you have any question, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, subscribe for more contents like this one, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.